AI is reshaping business at every level, from how decisions are made to how work gets done. Success now depends on turning change into strategy, leading transformation, and building for a digital-first future. Kaplan's certificate in AI and digital transformation strategy brings this together through 3 pillars: digital strategy, AI fluency, and change leadership. Designed for working professionals, this fully self-paced, asynchronous program gives you the flexibility to learn and upskill at your own pace. The learning journey is built around 3 core areas. Start by exploring how digital transformation and AI are reshaping business, using practical frameworks to identify opportunities and drive growth. Then, move beyond theory with hands-on AI, building custom GPTs and AI agents, automating everyday work, and learning how to support adoption across your organization. Finally, learn how to lead people through change, encourage AI adoption, and create lasting value for your teams and organization. What makes the experience different is how learners apply their knowledge through immersive multimedia, including videos, AI-driven analysis, and interactive knowledge checks, all designed to reflect real-world situations. On completion, learners receive a Kaplan Professional Award certificate, equivalent to a Level 3 qualification, along with a digital LinkedIn badge. Stop reacting to change. Start leading it. Contact us today.